वेलकम बैक गाइस। इन द लास्ट वीडियो हमने देखा इन्फ्लेशन होता क्या है। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इन्फ्लेशन के टाइप्स। इन्फ्लेशन इज बेसिकली क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू टाइप्स, इन्फ्लेशन बेस्ड ऑन रेट्स, इन्फ्लेशन बेस्ड ऑन causes. In today's video we'll be looking at inflation which is based on rates. Let's get started. Inflation based on rates, it's classified into four types: creeping inflation, walking inflation, running inflation and galloping inflation. अब इन सब टर्म्स को हम एक एक करके देखते हैं. When the rate of inflation gradually increases up to 4% annually, it is known as creeping inflation. This inflation is positive for the economy as it stimulates demand and investment. This creeping inflation is positive for economy. Now we'll look into walking inflation. When there is a gradual increase in the price range around 4% to 10%, this is known as walking inflation or trotting inflation. This is also considered positive for Indian economy. The third type is running inflation. When the rate of inflation increases in the range of 10% to 20% annually, उसको बोलते हैं running inflation. If this inflation is remained unchecked, it can lead to economic overheating. If this inflation is remained unchecked, it can lead to economic overheating. अब economic overheating होता क्या है? When economy is growing at faster rate, it increases the inflation. When economy is growing at faster rate, it leads to inflation, and this causes the demand and supply gap mismatch, where supply is less and demand is more. इसको बोलते हैं economic overheating. So economic overheating is a situation where economy is growing at faster rate, increasing in the inflation, where demand is more and the supply is less. We'll revisit the concept again. When the rate of inflation increases in the range of 10% to 20% annually, it is known as running inflation. अगर ये अनचेक्ड रहता है तो ये इकोनॉमिक ओवरहीटिंग की सिचुएशन को राइज करेगा. Now, the last type is galloping inflation. When inflation rises rapidly at double or triple rates annually, it is known as galloping inflation. इस इन्फ्लेशन की रेंज रहती है 20% to 50%. अगर ये इन्फ्लेशन हम अनचेक रह जाता है तो इट अफेक्ट्स द परचेसिंग पावर ऑफ कंज्यूमर, because the inflation will be so high that consumers won't be able to purchase the goods and services. That's why this inflation is danger for Indian economy. Galloping inflation is danger for Indian economy. So out of creeping, walking, running and galloping inflation, creeping is positive and galloping is danger for Indian economy. अब हम इस creeping, walking and running inflation को ग्राफ में अगर प्लॉट करते हैं तो ये कुछ इस फॉर्मेट में दिख जाएगा, where y axis represents percentage in the increase of inflation and x axis is number of years. जो 4% है that is known as creeping inflation. Next is walking inflation. Next is running inflation. And at last we have galloping inflation. होप गाइज ये आपको समझ में आ गया हो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विल बी लुकिंग एट इन्फ्लेशन बेस्ड ऑन कॉजेस. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड.